Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing hardware and accounts. Power on the LED TV and plug in the streaming device, or keep the TV's smart app available. Make sure YouTube is installed on your phone or streaming dongle. Sign into your Google account on the device. That lets you cast and access subscriptions. Once done, connect both the TV and your source device to the same Wi-Fi network and verify network strength. This reduces buffering and pairing issues before you attempt to link YouTube to the screen. Now you connect and cast. Open YouTube on your phone or laptop and tap the cast icon. You'll see available devices listed. Select your LED TV or connected streaming stick. This creates a direct link so the TV plays video while your device controls playback. If your TV lacks casting, plug an HDMI cable from a laptop or streaming adapter and switch the TV input to that HDMI port. That mirrors the display. Make sure the YouTube app is updated, and Bluetooth or network discovery is enabled to speed up pairing. Finish the setup and verify playback. Start a video and use your device to adjust quality, captions, and volume while watching on the LED TV. This keeps controls intuitive. If playback stutters or casting won't connect, restart the YouTube app, reboot the router, or unplug and replug the HDMI cable. Often that clears handshake errors. If all else fails, make sure firmware is current and, as a last resort, reset the TV's network settings. Then rejoin the Wi-Fi and try casting again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.